Our next challenge is programming assignment A4 to design a desktop calculator using JavaFX GUI front end. So my plan is to first make a copy of JavaFX project because we spent some time doing its configuration. Let's give it a try. So I have week 7, which is my previous project using JavaFX. I'm just going to copy and paste directly in this file manager window and rename it A4. Let's add title to these notes right here. So this is assignment A4. So let's open this project in NetBeans. Project A4. We'll rename the name of the project A4. Next, let's go to our source packages. So we have here our fxml file, which contains the graphical user interface for our Hello World test application, and also automatically generated controller. I don't think neither of these files bring any value that needs to be retained in this project, so I'm just going to simply remove them by hitting delete key or right click and delete. Right, so we're going to delete the controller and I'm going to delete this fxml file. And by the way, if you wanted to keep this fxml file, just keep in mind that part of its anchor pane attributes right here is the specification of the controller, and it's using week 7. Okay, week 7 package name, and it's using Hello World controller name of the file to generate when the controller is generated. So just keep this in mind. I'm not going to retain this, but if you want to retain fxml and you're doing some changes in your project organization, this is definitely something that needs updating, the controller information inside your fxml file. So anyway, I'm not going to retain any of this. I'm just going to delete this fxml file by going to delete it. Okay. And the next thing I want to rename is the name of my package. So because this will be GUI application, I'm going to refactor and rename and give it a name A4_GUI. Just like this, A4_GUI. Okay, so that gets renamed, and this is our main application. So as you know, the main application needs to use fxml loader to load the scene graph from fxml file. So let's give this fxml file a different name. So this will be something like maybe fx calculator. Okay, and also let's update the title. It should say desktop calculator. All of this is just the boilerplate code, so let's save. And now we should be ready to start designing our GUI interface using Scene Builder.